It's been nearly a year since 5-month-old Liam James McKenzie drowned in a bathtub. And today a judge sentenced his mother to 5 years in prison for reckless homicide. Local 12's Webb has been covering the story since August. He joins us live from Newport with the final chapter in this horribly tragic story. Joe.
Well, Rob, this definitely was a tragedy, but the reason it took so long for there to be an arrest, about 3 months, and another 8 months for them to get a guilty plea, was trying to nail down if this tragedy was a tragic accident or if it was an avoidable tragedy, a reckless homicide. That was still the central issue when Amanda McKenzie came to court for sentencing today.
I do want to state for the record that this was a tragic accident that has deeply affected Miss McKenzie. She was trying to work at the time, trying to go to school, trying to better herself, and trying to raise a child alone.
Prosecutor Sheryl Heeter told the judge this was a tragedy, but no accident. McKenzie mixed alcohol and a prescription drug shortly before getting into the tub with her 5-month-old son.
She admitted she had 2 drinks around 11 or midnight, and then other people said she was probably drinking again around 3:30 a.m. Then she took her medication around 7 in the morning and the baby into the tub around 7:53.
Heeter says McKenzie was found unconscious in the tub, her baby floating dead in the water. Amanda McKenzie was given the chance to speak today but chose not to. Judge Fred Stein sentenced her to 5 years. Heeter gives all the credit to Newport police.
But for the investigation of the Newport police officers, we would have thought this was just a tragic accident. But because of their thorough investigation and interviews with other witnesses, we were able to determine that really this was a homicide case.
And Rob, because Amanda McKenzie is a persistent felony offender in the eyes of the court, she will be eligible for parole only after serving 20% of her sentence. It's normally just 15%. She will be eligible for parole later this year. Rob?
Joe, thanks so much. Amanda McKenzie has been locked up since late last year when a grand jury indicted her. The judge gave her credit for that time served, and that's why she'll be eligible for parole in just a few months.